Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite recipes, these stuffed portobello mushrooms. These are naturally gluten-free, super easy to serve for a crowd, and they taste delicious, so you won't have any left. Ingredients you'll need are 16 ounces of mini portobello mushrooms, a pound of ground pork sausage. This does need to be cooked and drained, 8-ounce package of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped parsley, 1 garlic clove crushed, and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. So these are going to be the ingredients that you'll need. You'll also need to use a food processor to make this recipe as well. So the first thing we're going to go and do is preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then go ahead and clean the mushrooms and remove the stems. I like to place the stems in the food processor to process right along with the rest of the ingredients. It makes the stuffing a little bit thicker. This is totally up to you and your preference. So you're going to add the cooked sausage, cream cheese, parsley, garlic cloves, and grated cheese to the food processor along with those mushroom stems. And then you're going to blend this until it's finely chopped up, just like a stuffing or a cream filling. So that's what I've got here in the food processor. It's all chopped up. Then you're going to go ahead and stuff each mushroom and place it on a parchment lined baking sheet or a greased baking sheet. So you can use either a piping bag to stuff these or just a spoon and stuff them. So you're going to go right inside of the mushroom. Make sure the inside there is nice and cleaned out first. And then you're going to bake these in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes or until they're nice and soft. 15 minutes is usually the golden time for us. They're normally ready to go. These are best served fresh out of the oven. We like to top them with some additional garnish, which is fresh parsley here. Usually I'll buy a little extra and use that as the garnish as well. So you can see that these are ready to serve. You can serve them right off the sheet pan or place them on a nice tray. When you cut into them, this is what they're going to look like. The stuffing is amazing and your friends will love them. There will not be a single one left, I promise. So this is how you make easy stuffed portobello mushrooms. They are gluten-free. You can find this whole recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in today.